to mine 𝗕𝗕𝗂𝗱. How does 𝗕𝗕𝗂𝗱 work? Let's get started. Yes, if you check under here, you are seeing many people that are making money from 𝗕𝗕𝗂𝗱, from mining their cryptocurrency. Yes, $55 Litecoin. People are withdrawing, like seriously. People are depositing. Yes, this is how it works. Yes, through 40 days, and total users is 320,000. Yes, bonus one. If you sign up, you'll be getting $5 gas fee. Second bonus is then you refer your friend, you're getting another $5 gas fee. You will also receive 10% of gas fee if your friend deposited. And the fourth bonus is you're getting 5% of gas fee from your friend balance. Yeah, after your friend register, getting that is the profit there. And in there you can mine any coin. Either cryptocurrency, any cryptocurrency. Yeah, you log into your account here. Let's log into our account. Yes, I want to sign up. I'll drop the link in the description below so that you can sign up your account. This is our account here. Each account you can also only mine one. First one. Yeah, let's go to cryptocurrency. How to activate your mine. This is what you do. Make sure you come here to come and click it to 100. Make sure it reach 100. Make sure it reach 100. This one is 96 now. 6 plus 2%. I put 3% here and 1% here. That is what 100. Make sure it reach 100. Any coin you want to mine, make sure it is 100. Let's say you are mining Litecoin now. Okay, let this one to be. Okay, so it's for now. Let's say you want to mine DOGE. You make it to reach 100. I tell you now, you need to reach at the end of the point there. Yes, can only mine only one coin. Only mine one coin. And the coin you want to mine, you can also sit there. Let's say you are going for DOGE. Let me change the mining here. Okay. There's how to deposit. How to deposit. You go to deposit here. You choose any currency you want to deposit. Let's say it's DOGE, TRS, anyone you're using. You click on Tron. There is Tron to deposit. So you take it direct to where you deposit there. You copy this address there. You go to your any of your cryptocurrency wallets to fund it, so that your gas fee can increase and you're making money very fast from 𝗕𝗕𝗂𝗱. Yes, from 𝗕𝗕𝗂𝗱. Anytime you see that, you have to scroll down till you do. Yeah, after funding your account successfully, come to your account. You can also leave your email there. You can leave your email. They can accept any coin you want to deposit. Let's go back. Yes, we are already making money from this.